So what does it take to do Scrimba full time? Well, I don't know, but this is how I've done it. So this is my study schedule. I am studying full time, and I started in July 18th, 2022. That was week 1. And this week I'm starting my 9th week into it. And as you can see, I broke it up into when I get started, when I take breaks, lunch break, and when I get out, or when I clock out, so to speak. And then the weekly totals. So far, I just hit 300 hours the other day, and this is my 9th week right here, starting this week. 309, total of 43 days. That averages out to about 7.1 hours a day. And it is important that we take breaks. So I learned that early on. So if you're overwhelmed by a module, like module 7 or something, and you need to take a break, it is important that you take breaks, because if you burn out, it's going to be a lot harder to come back and continue. But if you just take a break just before you feel like you're going to, hate yourself, then it is important that you step away, get a fresh mind, take a day or two, come back. And I am very pressed for time because I want to get this done quick, but at the same time, I want to learn it right. I also don't move on until I have truly understood the concept. If I watch, the lesson once or twice or 3 times and I still don't get it, then I find another resource somewhere else. That doesn't happen often. I'm going to say that. Kudos to Scrimba for that. But, sometimes hearing the same concept from different teachers will actually make it stick better. So that's my experience anyway. But yeah, what is your method of studying?